Hi all you lovely ladies and mamas to be, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shachi and this channel is all about pregnancy and baby care for us Indian women. Now, once the feeling has finally sunk in, once it finally hits you that okay, you are pregnant and you're going to have a baby, one of the first things that we tend to think about is clothes. Because you know that couple of months down the line, none of those old clothes are going to be fitting you and you will need a whole new wardrobe. So this video is exactly about that. It is about maternity clothes. Now, I would say that my pregnancy wardrobe was a mix of clothes from maternity line and from non-maternity line. But in this video, I'm going to show you the things that I picked up from exclusive maternity lines in India, and I'll share with you the brand, how much it costs, and also how I styled it. Now, these are the clothes which are absolute staples, they are essentials. And these are the things which I have been using till now. I'm in my 7th month and I'm sure that I'm going to continue using it for the rest of the pregnancy and even few months after that. So let's get started and stay tuned till the end, because at the end of the video I'm going to share with you a very cute yet simple pregnancy announcement idea, and this is something that I did as well. So let's get started. So let's start with bottom wear. Now when you get pregnant, one of the first things that's going to stop fitting you are your regular leggings and your denims. So it's really important to invest in comfy and durable bottom wear. And in fact, this was one of the first pieces of maternity clothing that I picked up. So let's start with the leggings. Now I think pregnancy or maternity leggings are an absolute essential, and this is the piece of clothing that I have used the most till now. So for leggings, I tried a couple of brands and some of them were not really comfortable, but the one which I really liked and which I've used the most are these leggings from a brand called the Mom Store. So these leggings have this really comfortable wide waistband. They have pockets. Who doesn't like leggings with pockets? And it has a nice straight fit. It's really easy to style them, and you can wear it at home, you can wear it out for casual outings, you can in fact even wear it to office if you have a nice formal top on. And I got these leggings in two basic colors, grey and black, and I think they cost about 1500 rupees. So all the products that I'm talking about, I will leave the links for that in the description box below so that you can check it out easily. So yeah, so if you're looking for a pair of comfy leggings, I would recommend this one. And another reason why I love them is that it is made up of cotton. I'm somebody who hates synthetic clothes and the feeling of clothes, especially leggings, clinging to your body, and that is the reason why I love these basic cotton leggings. The second piece of bottom wear which I picked up were denims, and I got just one pair of jeans, and this is also from the same store, the Mom Store, and again it has a wide waistband and it's a basic blue denim. But to be honest, I haven't used it much. In fact, in my entire pregnancy journey till now, I have worn it once. And the reason for that is that this is the year 2020. I haven't really stepped out of the house much, so there is no reason for me to put on jeans, and I would always prefer my leggings over denims any day. But if you're somebody who's going to go to the office and you are going to be stepping out, then it's a good idea to invest in a pair of denims. So a lot of brands make maternity denims. You can check out this one from Mom Store. I've also seen H&M have a good collection of maternity leggings, so do check out that as well. And the third piece of bottom wear, which again is an essential, is shorts, especially maternity shorts. I was quite surprised to see that there's not a lot of variety when it comes to maternity shorts in India, and it took me quite a bit of research to find maternity shorts. But the brand which makes them is again H&M, and this is from their maternity line called H&M Mama. These are their basic blue chino shorts, again made up of cotton, and it has a waistband and it has this really comfy lower half. So these shorts have been extremely comfortable. I got them from the H&M website, and I think it cost about 2000 rupees. And they are available in a lot of colors, so you can pick up a couple of pieces if you're really going to use them. The second pair of shorts that I got is this pretty pink polka dotted one, I know it looks really tiny, but trust me, it fits really well because of, again, the waistband and the elastic fit. So this is from a brand called the Mama Couture. Now, I initially wanted to order on their website, but I didn't because the return policy is not that great. If you want to return the product, you have to ship it back yourself, which I didn't want to do. So I also found that these products are listed on Amazon. So I ended up ordering this pair of shorts from Amazon, and yeah, I have used them a lot, especially inside the house when you want to wear something really chill and really comfy. So get yourself a couple of leggings in different colors, couple of maternity shorts, and a pair of denims, and you will be sorted as far as bottom wear is concerned during your pregnancy journey. Now let's talk about the tops. Now when it comes to maternity tops, there's actually quite a lot of variety available, and there are a lot of brands which make them. But the problem which I find with most of them is that most of them have that typical, maternity fit wherein you have that V-neck and you have something to tie over the waist, and then you have a flared bottom. And somehow I find that design really horrible and did not want to wear anything that looked like that. So when I started looking for tops, I was looking for something which would fit the bump yet look normal, wouldn't look like this is exclusively from some maternity line, and at the same time would be comfy and something which I could use even later on. So the one brand which I found which did this to perfection was H&M, and this is their H&M Mama, that is their maternity line. So my entire basic top collection which I have used in my pregnancy is from H&M. I did not pick up anything from any other brand. So let me show you what all I have. So the first thing that I want to share with you is this really pretty top from H&M. This doesn't even look like a maternity top, but it is. It has, if you look closely at the waist, it has these stitches or this cinching which allows to fit the growing belly, and this is really comfy and soft. It has these lace detailing, so gives it a formal or a stylish look, and you can wear it on denims, on leggings, and very easily wear it to office as well. So I've used this so much. In fact, I liked it so much that I actually got it in one more color. So this is the same one in blue, and these two things have been again one of the most worn pieces in my wardrobe. So one tip about maternity wear is that when it comes to sizing, do not size up because the clothes are already designed to fit a growing body. So whatever is your regular size, pick up the same size in maternity wear. Now after this, the next piece which I would recommend and when it comes to tops and which you need to have in your wardrobe are vests. So vests are the comfiest things that you can throw on. So H&M in fact does a lot of maternity vests, and you can get them in plain colors, you can get them in prints, you can get them in stripes. So do check out all their vest collection, and they usually come in a pack of 2. So I ordered this particular pack. So this has a basic white ganji and this sea green ganji. So simple, so casual, yet so important and so essential. So these are the next set of clothing that I have, these 2 vests, and these are also really good to wear for your yoga classes, or when you're going for a walk and you just want something really airy and comfy. These are going to come to your rescue. Now when it comes to vests, it's not necessary that you need to stick to just the boring plain ones. You can also pick up some dressy ones. So this is the one which again is from H&M, and this has this really pretty lace detailing on the sleeve, and I love the white color. So though it looks really simple, but when you wear it and if you style it with a nice pair of earrings, it can look really dressy. So if you're looking for something a little bit more dressy and something which you can wear to events or to parties, then yeah, get yourself something like this. So you can also pick up something printed and fun, and H&M does that as well. So this is again a top from their maternity collection, and it's really light, comfy, airy fabric. It has this waistband at the back which gives it shape and also accommodates a growing belly. And the good thing about all these clothes are that now I did not pay full price for any of these clothes. There is always some sort of sale or discount going on either at Myntra or on the H&M website. So keep an eye for them and try and pick up these things on sale, because on sale they're almost 30 to 40% cheaper, sometimes even 70% cheaper than their actual price. So all of these tops range from somewhere between 500 to 600 to about 1200 rupees. I did not pay anything more than that. And the last thing that I want to share when it comes to top wear is this sweatshirt. So if your pregnancy comes in the second half of the year, or if you're living somewhere where it is really cold, then you would need something warm. So it's always good to layer on, but it's also nice to have a comfy sweatshirt on days when you want to be really chill and you just want to lounge around. So this is again no surprises from H&M, and what I really liked about this was the print. I thought it was a really nice print. It has this animal print kind of vibe. And this is a sweatshirt which has a slit at the bottom, so this means that your belly is accommodated. And I ended up using it quite a bit because I live in Bangalore and my pregnancy was in the second half of the year. So again, there are a lot of prints available in sweatshirts, so you can check out the collection and pick a couple of them for yourself. Now coming to dresses. Now when it comes to maternity dresses, I picked up just one pair of dress which was from the maternity line. All the other dresses which I have used and worn in my pregnancy are from the non-maternity line. And the reason for this is that somehow when it comes to dresses, I found the options really limited. They were really expensive, and again, most of them had that typical maternity fit, which is something that I just do not like. So I'm going to be telling you all about this in my next video. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to pick dresses which are from the non-maternity line, yet they fit you like a glove and they look really, really stylish. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the video. Coming back, so like I said, I just picked up one pair of dress from the maternity line, and this is from H&M, again from the H&M Mama collection. And I have spoken about this in my previous video as well. This has been really functional. I love the color, which makes it easy to wear it to office, to events, and it has this waistband which gives it a shape. And yeah, this has been used a lot till now, till the 7th month, and I'm sure it's going to be used later as well. So these are all the clothes which I have bought and used to death from the maternity line. So you saw the leggings, the bottom wear, the tops and the dress. And like I told you in the beginning of the video, I wanted to share with you a really cute yet simple idea for making your pregnancy announcement, and this is what I did. So when I wanted to make my pregnancy announcement, there were a couple of constraints. Number one was that there was no photographer to hire, there was no outdoors to go to, and you don't do one of those really fancy dreamy shoots because we were in a lockdown, and also there wasn't much things available to buy or to style. But Amazon was delivering at that time, and I picked up this really cute t-shirt from Amazon. So basically it has this cute little thing which comes on your belly, and yeah, this on the screen right here, I don't know where I'm going to put it, but on the screen right here you can see our pregnancy announcement. So basically I put on this t-shirt, we put the camera on self-timer on the tripod and stood in front of this wall in our house where we have our pictures and clicked this photo. And then I just added a little bit of text and a little bit of detailing, and yeah, that's it. So if you're looking for something really simple and DIY pregnancy announcement, then do give this a try. There are a lot of such t-shirts available in Amazon. You can get them in different colors, different prints. You can even, if you want to do the full thing, you can even get matching couple t-shirts. So yeah, do check out. I will leave the link for this one on Amazon in the description box below. So ladies, thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you an idea about the bottom wear, the top wear and the dresses that you can pick up from maternity line and which will get you through your entire pregnancy journey. The link for all these products is in the description box below, so do check them out and you can pick them up using these links. Now in my next video, I'm going to be talking about dresses in particular, and I'm going to be talking about dresses which are picked up from non-maternity line and which have served me beautifully in this entire pregnancy journey, including this one which is from Zara. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. So on my Instagram handle, I share a lot of day-to-day experiences, a lot of product reviews and a lot more styling tips and tricks when it comes to maternity wear. So this is my Instagram handle. Do follow me there. Alright, so that's all for this video. Take really good care of yourself. If there's anything else, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to chat with you. I'll see you very soon in the next one. Till then, bye.